The El Paso Juarez Metroplex, also known as the Paso del Norte region, with more than 2 million people, represents the world's largest population concentration along an international border. It's actually a microcosm of what the United States will look like over the next several decades, as Hispanics make up a third of our population. Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center El Paso, the nation's first health sciences center on the U.S.-Mexico border, has origins in the diversity and cultural elements that characterize El Paso. It truly represents the old and new. Since 1973, our campus has played an important role in El Paso's healthcare history. And in 2013, a freestanding health sciences center was established with the Paul L. Foster School of Medicine, the Gail Grieve Hunt School of Nursing, and the Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences, all established in order to meet the critical healthcare needs of our region. Life on the border is different than other parts of the country in terms of quantity and quality of healthcare, and also the diseases that are prevalent in this area. Living on the border of a developing country gives insights to diseases and conditions affecting the lives of billions around the world. It is a unique opportunity to open one's mind and heart to the struggle of others and for healthcare providers to serve through the delivery of competent and culturally appropriate healthcare. Educating the future's healthcare professionals demands a unique curriculum involving the use of high-tech patient simulators and engagement in the culture and lives of those we're trying to reach. Educating the students along the border involves immersion into the language that permeates waiting rooms, emergency rooms, and even our local supermarkets. Our school is the first in the United States to offer conversational and medical Spanish as required components of our curriculum. Our students decipher correlations between the environment in which a disease develops and thrives and how quickly it can transfer, in some instances through the imaginary border that separates our two countries. Our clinicians comprise the region's largest multi-specialty practice group and provide services in the only Level 1 trauma center in a 280-mile radius. Research is an essential part of the mission of any successful academic health sciences center. It creates the milieu from which strong academic programs arise. Border health research conducted locally by scientists who live and work in the community is necessary for the development of new treatments and the overall health of people living in this unique region and around the country. While El Paso provides the comforts of a large, progressive urban city, it is juxtaposed against a developing country struggling to improve poverty-stricken areas. The ease of migration from the U.S.-Mexico border to the interior of the United States has created colonias, communities lacking adequate water and sewage systems, on both sides of the border. These living conditions promote the spread of disease that potentially lead to the transmission of infectious diseases of epidemic proportions without respect to borders. El Paso is an exceptional location to study the role of genetic factors in health and disease due to the population being relatively geographically isolated and yet stable. Local families tend to be large and span many generations. And these community characteristics create an opportunity for our scientists to understand diseases that burden Hispanic families in a way that few places are able to provide. By being both located along the U.S.-Mexico border and home to Fort Bliss, one of the country's major military installations, the Paso del Norte region serves as a unique laboratory for research that no other institution can offer. Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center El Paso is a model for innovative teaching, high-quality patient care, and novel border health research. We encourage you to discover how we are making a difference.